Hi everyone, welcome back to the G.life. So today's video is showing you what I do every day after dinner. So basically the very first thing, Michael always helps me. He cleans up the table for me and wipes it all down. He does take all those dirty dishes over to the sink so I can start cleaning everything up. He also cleans up the high chair and wipes it with a cloth and some soap. And then he wipes down the table like I said, and he also helps me sweep. I'm so glad he does that because while he does that, I start cleaning up the kitchen.
Shake it, baby. Shake it for me. Why aren't you shaking it?
We're goofballs, guys. All right, so moving on to my duties. I'm just picking up all the leftover food and putting it in the container so we can have it for leftover or cook it some other way. And then I just start cleaning up the kitchen. Basically what everybody else does every day, just clean up the dishes, put them in the sink. To clean up the countertops, I'm actually using a mixture of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap and then some water as well. It's very pepperminty because that's the scent I have. But I basically clean up the counters and start washing dishes. Now, I don't have a dishwasher, so I do have to wash all the dishes. So for you ladies that do have dishwashers, I envy you guys because you guys don't have to do this every day. One day I'll have a dishwasher. So while you guys watch me do my dishes, I wanted to let you guys know that I am working on organizing my bathroom cabinets, and I wanted to film it, but I wasn't sure if any of you guys would be interested in watching it. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys would be interested to see me organizing all the cabinets and everything down there, because it's a mess down there. And for the soap, I do have a bottle of Mrs. Meyer's, but I'm actually using, again, a mixture of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap and some water. It's not my favorite. I'm showing you guys my broken glass. I broke it while I was washing. Ugh, what a bummer. Anyways, the soap is not my favorite. I don't think it soaps up so much, but it's okay. And I've had it for a long time and I just needed to use it. So I'm basically just using it whatever way I can. And am I the only one? But I arrange my dishes on my drying rack a specific way. It has to be done a specific way. I don't know, that must be my OCD or something, but whenever I wash dishes, I wash like the plates first and then everything that's flat and then the bowls and the cups. I don't know why. I have to do it a specific way. Anybody else like that? Because, oh my gosh, it drives me crazy when they're not organized the way I like it. Those containers that you guys see on the left, those are the containers I plan to use in the bathroom organization. So again, let me know down below if you guys are interested in watching that. And seriously guys, washing dishes takes me like 20 minutes at night, maybe 25. Are you guys jealous yet? Because I mean, come on. I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to hand wash everything. So the toothbrush you guys just saw, I actually use that to clean. It's not like our regular mouth cleaning toothbrush. It's a toothbrush for cleaning specifically. I had used it earlier in the day, so I left it in the sink so I could wash it. Oh my gosh, washing dishes takes forever. So once I'm done washing the dishes, I get whatever we have in the drain and I throw it into the trash. We do have a drain machine thingy. What is it called? I can't remember right now. We do have one, but I don't always use it. And then I always obviously clean up the sink. I like for it to be nice and clean. It doesn't stay clean for long because by the end of the night, there's at least 2 or 3 dishes already in there. Now the next thing I'm doing is using my Castile spray, and I'm just wiping down all of the counters. That paper roll is too thick and it doesn't fit in there, so I had to just like squish it in there. And I'm just putting everything away that I have on the counters and wiping everything down. I like to have a really clean kitchen before I go to bed. I don't know what it is. I just hate going to bed with a dirty kitchen and waking up with it still dirty. I like to wake up to clean stuff. Now, like I said, I do this every single night. I clean up the counters, I wash the dishes, basically everything that you guys see here. So now I'm going to go ahead and start getting Michael's lunch ready for the next day. I don't wipe this down on a daily basis, but it was getting really dirty in there, so I went ahead and washed it. And then I'm putting most of his snacks back because he had a lot of leftover snacks from the day before. And you guys know I do meal prep, so I'm just getting his lunch ready so when he wakes up, he knows what to grab. I do take out a new rag every night just so we can use that the following day. So now I'm going to go ahead and sweep, and after you guys see that I do mop, I don't mop on a daily basis. I don't know what those little white things are flying by. I don't mop on a daily basis. I mop maybe about once a week, sometimes twice a week, but not very often. And I actually have a Swiffer's hack video coming out soon, but basically I'm using a chamois on my Swiffer, and I do have this method squirt mop, but in there I actually did a mixture of pine sol and water because it's just so much easier just to have it mixed and just pour it on the floor without me having to go back to the sink like 100,000 times. So yeah, basically I'm just mopping the floor as you guys can see, and once it's dried, it's all nice and pretty, and I'm so happy to have a nice clean kitchen. I don't light a candle like a lot of people do. I'm trying to get more into lighting candles, but I really don't do it every single day. And yeah, so here is my nice clean kitchen. Again, those containers right there are for my bathroom organization. Let me know if you guys want to watch that. So the dining table is nice and clean too, thanks to my husband Michael. The clothes that you guys see at the end of the table is actually his clothes for the next work day. He takes it out the night before, so he's prepared in the mornings. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!